Etna, it carries a breath. It is believed to stand still, yet it inhales and exhales, and has done so for millennia. It smokes, it rumbles, it falls asleep, then awakens in a shiver of fire. Around it, all of Sicily listens to its breathing as if the entire island depended on the moods of this living mountain. It protects as much as it threatens. It feeds the vineyards and the lemon trees, yet also reminds us that everything can be taken back in an instant. This volcano, standing between sky and sea, embodies the Sicilian soul in all its duality. Generous and violent, peaceful and untamable, it towers over Catania, watches over Taormina, observes the villages that live at its feet. The people fear it, yet they love it. For Etna symbolizes both father and mother, the one who destroys and who creates, the one who teaches patience and courage. It engraves the memory of the world. Its lava preserves the traces of centuries of human fury and forgotten prayers. In its red light, one perceives something sacred, a primordial fire, a memory of the beginning. Each lava flow releases a burning thought, an idea of the world in fusion. When it erupts, it does not exhale anger, but a word. It speaks the language of transformation, where destruction becomes creation. Its fire is not the fire of war. It is a fire of birth. It gives birth to light within matter. Within it, pain becomes beauty. Chaos becomes form. It performs the same alchemy as the human heart. When it loves to the point of burning, Etna teaches us this, that the soul grows by crossing its own lava, and that the highest beauty is often born from an inner blaze. Then comes silence. When it sleeps, it does not create emptiness, but a deep peace, that of a force that no longer needs to roar in order to exist. Etna sleeps as gods sleep, a sleep that contains all possible storms. It also speaks a metaphor of Sicilian love, a love made of excess and fidelity, of fire and roots. Here, true passion is never lukewarm. It can engulf everything and fertilize everything at once. Sicily lives from this tension between light and abyss, between the softness of the wind and the fire of the depths. On this rugged and fertile land, Sicilians have learned to live at the edge of danger, to love what can destroy them, to thank the fire even when it burns. Their silent dignity, their indomitable pride, reflect the image of their volcano. They know that nature cannot be mastered. It is respected, prayed to. One bows without submitting. Etna represents the symbolic heart of Sicily, the mirror of its people. It reminds us that from death, life can be born, that pain can give birth to beauty. Here, the entire paradox of this island of fire is expressed. Every tragedy carries a promise. The wine from Etna's slopes, born of ashes, stands as living proof. Finally, Etna still connects Sicilians to their gods of another age. The ancients saw it as the forge of Vulcan, the place where the weapons of the heavens were shaped. Even today it retains this scent of myth, that of a land that speaks and a people who listen. This silent faith, this burning intensity in every gaze, in every gesture. This is the Sicilian soul.